I'm Joleen, and this is Darin, and we own Big Raven Farm, a 14,000 square foot property located in Spring Grove, Minnesota. Big Raven Farm is a bed and breakfast and event center. We host weddings, bridal showers, and all kinds of retreats for creatives, yogis, artists, writers. We even hold outdoor concerts and family reunions. If you are a creative looking to host a retreat, Big Raven Farm is a great choice. In this video, I'm going to take you on a little tour of all of the things our property has to offer. This about concludes the tour of where our guests sleep, but I'd also like to tell you about this. On our property, we also have a yoga studio, and we make and manufacture yoga mats. Here's Darin down in our print studio, and he is going to be showing you how we make a yoga mat. We have a large format printer and a dye sublimation heat press. All of our orders are made here in Spring Grove, right on our property. Here, Darin's pulling back the paper to reveal a really beautiful design called Sapphire and Opal. These are available on our website, bigravenyoga.com. Hosting retreats has become a really big part of what we do here at Big Raven Farm, and you can attend one of ours or host one of your own. Whether you're a guest at one of our retreats or you want to hold one of your own, everything is done for you. We take care of all the meals, the sleeping accommodations, and we make sure that all of our guests have an amazing time. Here is one of our favorite clips from a recent retreat.
Happy birthday to you.
And finally, I'm also an artist. Paper is really my medium, but because of my social media following, I now make and sell art kits. We have a subscription where you get one art kit a month, and we get together via Zoom and we make what's in the box together. And I thought perhaps you might like just a little example of what that's like to be involved in our Kit of the Month Club. So here we go. All you need is a book strip that you either cut on a bandsaw or get with an X-Acto knife. I hope you enjoy. Here's another really beautiful paper Christmas ornament for your collection. I know it looks complicated, but it's really not too hard, and we'll take the directions nice and slow. The dimensions of this book strip are listed on the screen, but no matter the size of your paper, the pattern is the same. Take 3 pieces of paper and fold it to the gutter twice, and then take 5 pieces of paper and just push them out of your way. Repeat that pattern until you run out of pages. Your next step is doing something with the 5 pieces of paper you pushed out of the way. Take the one that is furthest to the left and tuck it into the petal right next to it. Do the same thing on the right. And then take the 3 that you've got left, tuck them into the gutter, and then put your finger right in the middle of the loop it makes and tuck the middle to the gutter. If that doesn't make any sense, it's understandable. Let's do it again. Take the one on the right, tuck it into the petal on the right. Take the one on the left, tuck it behind the petal on the left. Take the 3 that you've got left, put the end all the way to the gutter, put your finger in the middle and push. It will make a whole lot more sense once you do it. Follow that pattern all the way around until all of your tails are tucked in. I promise it will start to make sense. When your ornament is complete, it's a good idea to just use a little bit of hot glue at all of the junctions or the intersections. We just want to secure it a little bit more since it's going to be hanging from the tree. Then we got to figure out how to hang it. I took 2 full petals, squished them together, and then used my hole punch. I used florist wire to go through the hole that I have made, and then on the back of the ornament, I twisted my florist wire so that I could capture some macrame cord, which is a lot cuter to look at than florist wire. And there you have it, my friends, another beautiful paper ornament for your Christmas tree. As you can see, there's a lot happening here at Big Raven Farm. Everything from hosting bed and breakfast guests to retreats, to weddings and large events, to selling yoga mats and art kits. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing journey in Spring Grove.